evening, everyone. My name is Dhyana, and today I'm going to tell you guys what I would do if I had infinite resources. If I had infinite resources, I would free the world from pollution by enhancing recycling. The reason I chose this topic is because I feel like recycling conserves our natural resources and saves energy. It also reduces the need to harvest new materials. But what is recycling anyway? Recycling is a process where you take items made of a specific material, break them down, and reuse them in some way. There are 3 steps to recycling. Step 1, collection and processing. Step 2, manufacturing. Step 3, buying products made from recycled materials. Now, how do you recycle plastic? The plastic goes into a reprocessor where it's washed, shredded, and sorted further. The plastic is then melted and extruded into new plastic pellets. But it's not just this. Burning plastic has been a huge challenge as it produces harmful gases, which can cause health hazards, including cancer. Prakash Somasundaran, a computer science engineer from Thrissur, has come up with an eco-clean plastic waste burner, which burns plastic in an eco-friendly manner. It uses natural resources like coconut shell and coconut fiber. No chemicals have been used. Using a burner may reduce the emission of toxic gas. But this plastic problem has been addressed in many different ways. Like, a company called PureCycle Technologies worked to convert used plastic into original-like resin. Now, there are many solutions that are waiting to happen in 2022. Number 1, peek into metaverse. Number 2, plastic can be recycled. Number 3, the Internet of Things streamlined recycling routes. Number 4, innovative city recycling programs. Number 5, a better way to enhance recycling systems. Recycling 1 ton of plastic saves 5,774 kilowatts of energy. That's enough energy to charge a Tesla battery more than 100 times. Fewer landfills and cleaner oceans. How? Extracting and processing raw resources like wood, oil require a lot of energy to make usable materials like paper. Now, recycling often saves energy because products being recycled usually require less processing to turn them into usable materials. With my opportunity, I would make recycling even more efficient. I would use pyrolysis of sawdust, which is an eco-friendly manner to address harmful gases emitted when burning plastic. Why? Number 1, it was too expensive. Number 2, we don't have enough resources to put it into effect yet. You all know that not every piece of plastic is recyclable, and there are still many items that are not recyclable. That's a problem because that results in landfills, which causes land pollution. Burning this plastic would result in air pollution. I think instead of making them landfills or burning them, why not we recycle them too? My solution is to find a way to recycle them in an organic and sustainable way. That's why I think it's important to create an establishment that works out these problems. It'll give every house 1 green bin and 1 brown bin for natural recyclables and artificial recyclables. In addition to making an organization, what about other ideas like making regulations to force industries to use a certain percentage of recyclable materials in their products? Finally, I'd like to conclude my speech by telling you about littering. How many of you have heard about the Pacific Garbage Patch? The Great Pacific Patch is a pile of floating trash in the Pacific Ocean, covering an area about 1.6 square kilometers, which is about twice the size of Texas or 3 times the size of France. Okay, what is littering? Okay, littering or incorrectly disposing recyclable materials mean they end up in landfills. Littering is still an issue in our society today. People don't take this seriously enough. No fine or punishment is going to stop this. The only thing we can do is spread awareness. Correct anyone who you see littering and stop littering yourself. The objective of this establishment is to make recycling a daily habit for everyone. Thank you for listening to me. Any questions? Hope you all have a good day.
And when you ask any question so fast, even if somebody has a question, they will not ask.
I don't want them to ask any questions, that's the whole purpose.
Carrying them from asking questions. Alright, so now again, I don't have to say, Dhyana, you're a natural speaker, of course, and brings a lot of energy to the class, sets the bar high for all your speakers to follow. So great job, well done. Who's next?